good morning everybody, the RV Enthusiast here. We're having a great day here in Beaverton, Oregon. Sun is shining. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I got a project again today, as usual. This pedestal, you're supposed to be able to touch it, and it's supposed to lock in like that. Not this one. This one just pops back out. You see this one, touch, open, touch, close. Nope, don't work. So what's happening is the locking mechanism in this pedestal is broke. So what you got to do, you got to take this drawer out, and then the locking mechanism isn't so fun to find. It's not on the top here, where you easily accessible and go, oh, just because they'd have a little protrusion here, real nice and easy to fix. Nope. What do? Another great design. Thank you. They put it on the bottom. It's on the bottom underneath the drawer. Really? So now I got to take the whole drawer out, take the part out, order the part, put it back in, put the drawer back in. What a pain. Okay, everybody. First thing, there's 2 screws to get this drawer out. There's a screw right here and a screw right here, dead center of the drawer. That screw would look something like this. Maybe yours, if yours is a Frigidaire product or something like that, you probably have the same kind of pedestal. Anyway, it's a little screw. It looks like that. It has a nut on the end of it that sits on the inside. This one, real easy to take out. This one, of course, well, not so easy for me. Not easy at all. So what I did is I reached in, I grabbed me a little 1/4-inch socket, puts it on it, pulled the screw, took it out, no problem. I could have just as easily, I suppose, opened this, reached in here, take these European hinges off and pull the door out, and then it'd give me a lot more room to work. I didn't want to do that. Anyway, take the screws out. Then this drawer is just going to come out like this. You'll lift it up. Sort of. Lift it up, pull it out. Once you get the drawer out, and you shouldn't have anything in this when you do it. Scoot these bars in for now. Now what we have is this mechanism right here. This is the click in, click out. Way in the back are the little springs that push it back out. So this little mechanism is broke, because this is the little lock. So it's real simple as well. 2 screws. Yeah, you won't be able to see up in there. Replace this, 38 bucks. Should last another 8 years. But remember, I have another pedestal on the washer too. That one could go out real soon, right? That'd be my luck. Okay, everyone, I think the dryer part has arrived from Amazon. It is Tuesday. It's about 3:30. Check this out. Yep. There it is. Hey, good morning, everybody. RV Enthusiast here. Hey, the Electrolux / Frigidaire part just came in. Tough part's getting the drawer into the slot. there's a little difficulty getting the rail back up to the front of the drawer. There we go. And you just got to hold the nut by the flat of your finger. On the nut, on the screw. I lost it. Till you feel it start to turn, get on it. There it is. Otherwise you just be spinning that nut inside this socket forever. Probably 6:40 a.m. Got the part in last night. There we go. Got the part in last night. And wanted to spend time with the wife. Alright, gentlemen, that's and the ladies that watch the channel, that's the kind of thing that'll make your wife happy. When you fix something relatively quickly, rather than letting it sitting around being broke for a while. Thanks for joining us today. The weather outside is about 62 degrees. It's about 6:40 in the morning. Project's complete. No later than 7 o'clock for sure. Project is complete and I'll get to editing. Remember, full-time, part-time, anytime. It's a great time to RV, and I'll be doing that real soon. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.